Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding bags and backpacks from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Dual DG55 43 16-inch 33 pocket tool bag. Dual features 33 pockets that allow numerous organization options for your welding gears, including one flap-covered pocket with hook and loop closure. It also features a pop-open design and a 16-inch large interior for easy access and storage of tools and accessories. Because of heavy-duty polyfabric construction, the bag can stand up to any job and circumstance. Also, the abrasion-resistant rubber feet make it an extremely durable tote tool bag. The bag also features an adjustable shoulder strap for the comfortable transportation of the tools. If you need to take numerous tools and accessories to your job site, Dual DG55 43 is ready to support you with 33 pockets and a 16-inch large interior. Positive side of this product: large compartment, 33 pockets, heavy-duty construction, abrasion resistant. Negative side of this product: vulnerable shoulder strap. Number 2. WIPRO 16-inch white mouth tool bag with waterproof molded base. WIPRO waterproof tool bag is known for its unmatched reliability and durability. 600G polyester fabric with fine stitching all over the body makes the bag extremely tough and long-lasting, so you don't need to worry about the tool bag getting damaged while using. Moreover, the hard waterproof molded base keeps your bag clean and dry, and your tools safe from getting wet and rusty. The tool bag features 8 sturdy pockets inside and 13 outside, and 8 belts for ample storage of wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and accessories, saving you from digging through the bag for tools by keeping them well organized. This 16-inch bag is designed with a large interior space suitable for any tools. It also features a wide open mouth with an internal metal frame and top double pull zipper for quick access to the tools. The bag also comes with the extra padded handle and adjustable shoulder straps that assure you extra comfort while carrying. If you want a reliable, long-lasting, waterproof tool bag in the budget, you can go for the WIPRO waterproof tool bag. Positive side of this product: premium materials, large interior space. Negative side of this product: zipper quality is not commendable. Number 3. ZUMA Power's rolling tool bag with wheels. This 18-inch rolling tool bag features carrying handles, a dual zipper top with pull strings, 2 external tape measure loops, and 3 plastic feet on the bottom. The telescopic handlebar with a comfortable grip makes the tool bag easy to roll behind you, and the wheels ensure smooth mobility around the job site. The tough 600G polyester makes the bag extremely durable and water-resistant and ideal for carrying the most used tools. It's a perfect tool bag with well-designed compartments and dividers for toolsets and individual tools. The large main compartment with 10 internal and 9 external pockets ensures easy tool access and storage. If you hate to carry a loaded bag on your back and want to go with your tools to your job site, the ZUMA Power's rolling tool bag is perfect for you. So, no more hassle carrying the tools up and down at work. Positive side of this product: adjustable height handle and rollers for easy mobility. Heavy-duty material. Number 4. Husky Red water-resistant contractor's rolling tool tote bag. When you want a bag that will present to you with all the attributes and perks that you ever desired, at times, you might have to pay a tad more. Nevertheless, we can assure you that even if it is a little expensive, everything that it has to deliver makes it worth every penny. Are you wondering why? Well, first of all, a first-class fabric used in its creation. The 600D denier polyester build with Bartex stitching makes sure that the bag can withstand the harshest of usage without any problem. Moreover, it has a telescoping handle with never-deflating tires, which ensure easy transport. Along with all these, the bag contains 2 exterior loops, 7 interior pockets, along with 11 outer pockets, along with dual zipper to secure all your belongings inside the bag. Hence, whatever you need to make your work more efficient and uncomplicated, you stash it inside the bag. Positive side of this product: allows you to carry all your welding as well as professional tools in a single bag. Made from the first-class polyester 600D. Number 5. WIPRO 18 Welder's Tool Bag. The WIPRO 18-inch close-top tool bag is a good inexpensive option for welding school students and anyone who's needing to bootstrap at the beginning of a job. It can also work well for a shop bag or home tool bag. Many owners report there's not enough room for a helmet. However, this bag gets a lot of praise for its rugged construction of 600 denier count nylon. This bag has a full-length zipper that wraps partly down each end of the top opening. The WIPRO 18-inch close-top tool bag has 13 pockets, 6 inside and 7 outside. One disadvantage of the inner pockets is they are stitched all the way to the top of the bag, so if you have tools such as wrenches that protrude from the top, you can't run the zippers shut. The WIPRO 18-inch close-top tool bag comes with a durable adjustable strap with a wide comfortable shoulder pad. The top handle is in a pair with a wraparound fastener to create a single rugged grip for lifting the bag when it's full. Positive side of this product, full-length top zipper. Sturdy shoulder pad. Negative side of this product, can't fit a helmet inside. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.